This evening, Jamaica under hurricane warning as Elsa moves towards Central Caribbean. Some residents doubtful of the hurricane's impact, while others in the projected path make preparations. And later, a rush on supermarkets as residents stock up on supplies before the hurricane passes.
Good evening and thank you for joining us for Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, the financial week. There's Primetime Sports commentary, E-Prime, and the weather report and forecast. But before the break, here is our feedback question. This evening we're asking, what have you been doing to prepare for the possible effects of Hurricane Elsa? You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or tweet @televisionjam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.